my God, this is amazing sofa. Today, I'm in 2025 Guangzhou Designer Week as the largest designer week exhibition as the Asian Pacific region. Guangzhou attracts many designers from different countries to visit every year. This year, Guangzhou Designer Week is the year with the most exhibitors, divided into store, decoration and light hall, outside and luxury good hall, custom and material hall. Now, follow my camera to visit the exhibition. Let's go! It's amazing. That's your dream bathroom. This is very comfortable. This is the artist. The above are some of the special content of the 2025 Guangzhou Design Week exhibition. I think that this exhibition is very close to life, and all the designs are drawn from the life, which is very in line with the themes of this exhibition. Dear Meet, if you have any idea about this design exhibition, you can leave a message.